Question 17 says convert the measure to degrees. So we have 2.6 radians. Well, I know from what we talked about, pi radians is 180 degrees. Pi over 2 radians is 90 degrees. Well, we know that pi is the same thing as 3.1, so 3.14 radians is the same thing as 180 degrees. And half of 3.14, I believe we've been saying 1.57. 1.57 is 90 degrees. So 2.6 radians has to be between 180 and 90 degrees. So it's somewhere between 90 and 180 degrees is where we're looking. So what I can do though to convert this to degrees is I have 2.6 radians and we can use our conversion factor. Since we're converting to degrees, we need the 180 degrees on the top and then the pi radians is on the bottom, if you will. But notice how the radians is going to divide out. So all you really got to do is multiply 2.6 times then. Notice this time it's going to be 180 over the pi. So that would turn it into degrees, and they want this to two decimal places. So I put 2.6, and then if we multiply by then 180 divided by pi, and I like to use parentheses here, feel more comfortable with it. So 2.6 times 180 divided by pi. So it's going to give me 148.96, or in other words, 97 degrees. So it's going to be 148.97 degrees. And that's what we're kind of thinking, somewhere between 90 and 180. So that sounds reasonable. Now keep in mind, you can type 2.6 radians into the calculator. But to do this, though, make sure your mode is in degrees as well. So my mode is in degrees. So I could type in 2.6 radians by typing 2.6. And then if we go under the angle menu, the number 3, that R stands for radians. So if I put 2.6 with an R there, that's understood to be in radian measure. And then if I hit enter, it should automatically move it into degrees. So 148.96 or 97 degrees would be our result. So we can just straight input that into the calculator as well if we don't want to deal with conversion factors.